rekindling love. Butterflies on the stomach and the heart skipping a beat upon seeing the other. In other words, kilig, as newlyweds we call it the honeymoon stage, or the time na sweet pa kayo sa isa't isa at para bang may kumikiliting mga paru-paro sa tiyan mo sa sobrang kakiligan. This stage is one of the best and most exciting phases in any relationship. The stage when you message each other first thing in the morning, when you have him or her in your mind all throughout the day, and you talk for hours in the evening. Sa spiritual lives naman natin, ito yung kakapray to receive Christ mo pa lang at gutom na gutom ka sa kanyang salita. You read the Bible first thing in the morning, think and ponder on His words all throughout the day, and pray without hurry in the evening. You look forward to going to church every Sunday and even attend midweek prayer meetings. You're just so on fire that you can't wait to spend time with Him. Pero tulad ng karamihan, nakaka-relate ka rin ba na unti-unting nawawala yung init ng excitement mo, whether in a human relationship or with your relationship with the Lord? You wake up and hurry through the motions of the day without thinking much of Him and go straight to bed without even bothering to speak to Him. This is a sad reality for all of us. At siguradong nalulungkot din si Lord kapag tinitake for granted na natin ang relationship natin sa Kanya. Why don't you rekindle that love? Any relationship needs effort and prayers to make it last. Think of the time when you were so eager to get to know God and His will for your life. Pasaganahin natin uli ang ating relasyon sa ating pamilya, kaibigan at kay Jesus. Let's pray. Dear God, I ask for forgiveness for taking you for granted. I am sorry for being complacent and not acknowledging the love and protection that you give me every single day. Think of a relationship you have with a loved one na hindi mo naman sinasadya ay natitake for granted mo na. Think of ways you can make up for lost time and shower this person with the attention and love you once used to shower them with. Mamuhay kayong puno ng pag-ibig tulad ni Kristo. Dahil sa kanyang pag-ibig sa atin, inialay niya ang kanyang buhay bilang mabangong alay at handog sa Diyos. Mga taga-Efeso 5:2. Ito po si Pastor Alex Tinsay na nagsasabing kailangan po nating ialay ang buhay natin sa Panginoon because He is worth it.